Okay, tu kan conting ni lesson 2 partial quotient ti mi si tuan deu akan kan chon mi kha partial product kan ti apart te tin kan to mi semu a chiu chiu kan chiu nai kan to mi semu ma ban tu in kan asa zonga kan partial quotient ti mi la a chiu kan chiu le break apart kan to le I ma ka kan a to foi de mu. Okay, 6 asa 114. Okay, at chiun kan chiun hala mu zero nga ti chun direct in up number angan tuk tik a kan tu thiam lau ma cha chun chiun kan chiu lai ma tik a 6 time ma ban tuk problem ni tu tik a kan zai dan ro ding ni chu what multiplication fact you are good at. Okay, so if you know the best 2 time, if you know the best 10 time, if you know the best 5 times, you have to pick the easy one. So that will help you to figure out, okay? If you pick 9 times, if you don't know 9 times 8, it won't help you. So I know everybody, a lot of kids know that 10 times, 5 times, and 2 times because that is the easiest one, right? Okay. Ma pia tu na tu atika kan ti ma man tu pia tu na kanan na pishin tika kan 9 times people to na chiam la lao yet sun a har de mi si 8 times people to 8 times people 8 li people to na chiam la lao sai rong a har mi si tika kan a foi big mi za pi ni foi big mi zu 10 timesมันจะขอจน 5 time มันจะขอจน 2 time มามันตุกปอลคันนี่foi big mi si kan ma manตุกปอลินkan na thok la mu sun 10 time in kan thok to an hala zai rong sun hi ka jon hi a digit hi angan tuk a number hi angan tuk tika 100 lang si tika. So let's try with 6 times 10 because I can't pick the fancy one. I like the fancy one like 8 times 9 but I don't know the fact like the multiplication fact. So I have to pick the easy one that help me. Okay? So 6 times 10 is easy. So let's do it 6 times 10. Okay. 6 times 10 is what? 60. Okay, 6 times 10 is 60. Okay, so we need to put 60 here. We need to minus. Okay, don't worry about the quotient, we will write later because we have to add all that we multiply with. Okay, we can take away from, we can, 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay, this one, 1 minus 6, we can't do that, so we have to borrow, okay, from the neighbor. We borrow from this 100, so this one give 1 to this, that become 11, and the 1 become 0. Okay, 11 minus 6, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, which is 5. Okay, 54. We can do 6 times 10, right? Because it's 60. So let's try with 5, okay? 5 in kan thok than to la mu 5 ka easy mi si 6 times 5 is what? 30, okay. 6 times 5, which is 30. Okay, we'll put this number right here. 30. Need to minus. Okay. 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. We can't do 5 anymore because it's already 30 and this is only 24, right? 30 cho ngân được tiga kan 6 times 5 cho kan tua than khâu ti lawi atom de unin kan tua hao mu. Okay, 6 times 2, let's see, 6 times 2 is only 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24, right? So we can do 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24, okay? So we'll put this 24 over here. let's minus. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So, no remainder. But now, do we have quotient yet? No. So we need to add all up. So look, we need to add all this up. That's what we multiply with, right? Okay, we need to add this all up because this number come from this. So we did 6 times 10 is 60, right? So this number, 6 times 5 is 30, 6 times 4 is 24. So we need to add all this number and that will be the quotient. So let's add up. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus nothing is 1. So the quotient is 19. This will go up to here, okay? It's 19. The quotient is 19. Let's check, are we done or not? Because this is 0, this is 6. So the boss is 6. This is 0, so the boss is bigger. So we are good, we are done. Okay, let's do the next one. This is 2 digit and 1 digit. Okay. So, like I told you before, we can do fancy multiplication fact because if we don't know, we won't get right? So, phôi minกันถอกหลาย 10 times. Okay, 6 times 10. 6 times 10. 6 times 10 is 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 1 is 6. That means 60. Okay. So we need to put this number over here. 60. Okay. Now I need to minus. 4 minus 0 is 4. 9 minus 6. 9, take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many left? 3. Okay, 34. I know I'm good at 10. I'm good at the multiplication fact 10 times, 5 times, and 2 times. 2 times will be only 12, so 6 times 2 is only 12, so this is 34, so I need to come up with more. So I will say 6 times 5, okay? 6 times 5. Make sure you put in the right place. If there's the ones, you have to line up with the ones. If there's the tens, you have to line up with the tens. So when we add up, we won't get round. Okay, so then 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, we need to put this 30 over here. Okay, we need to minus. 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay. 3 minus 3 is 0, which we don't need to put. Okay. Let's see, we are done or not. Let's check with the boss and the remainder number. This is 6, this is 4. Remember, the boss only have to be bigger number than the remainder. Okay. So, is 6 is bigger or 4 is bigger? 6 is bigger. So are we good? Yes, we are good because the boss is bigger. Now we need to add our quotient. We need to add this too because this number comes from this number comes from this. We need to add them and put it up here. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 15. So the quotient is 15. You can write 15 R4. R stands for remainder, okay? 15 R4. Right? But lesson ma partial quotient ni hin tampian bom halati ka zoom 0 atsun number ngan deuh mi digit tam deuh mi sia chun ma ti kan tu a khan avoid deuh to ni ti na te en cham pui pc ti ka chun I step test te pui nge ti ka chun nang mani na fian nak bik le na chiam bik nak ding khan na tu a khup ka mo. Okay, next lesson 2, pressure quotient with decimal. Asa tiam salai decimal he kan tu mi salamo. Ma man tu decimal tu atiga kan khoi ka zon ta decimal ka tu la chimi kha Hngakchia ni kan thei ton la tiga khan me hi abek ki ngai ni si asa sa so kha chu tlom palte an thiam de ko na den hi ban tu decimal a tel tika khan an thiam ton lawi ti. Okay, apart in kan tu than ko le chu cha chun decimal ar tika khan nan lung re thei du la decimal kha phiu chung la an huwa khan ma decimal kha kan chia than ti la. Don't worry about the decimal. We can just take away the decimal and put the number in, and we can put it back the decimal again. So it wouldn't be a problem. Okay, so it's like you have to just take 372 instead of 37.2. You can just take 372, okay? We can put it back the decimal later. So I know I'm good at 100 times, 10 times, 5 times. So I know this is big number. This, the divisor is only 3, so this is 3 digits. That means I know it's 100 place. So I have to multiply with 100 place, okay? So I have to start with 100, 3 times 100, okay? Oops, I supposed to use red color. 3 times 100, okay, I don't know, so I will do it one by one, okay. 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 1 is 3, so which is 3 times 100 is 300, okay. So this number, I have to put it here, 300. What do I need to do the next one? Minus. Okay. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 0 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we don't need to put 0. 0 si tiga akan tunkan haulim lo mo. Okay, so 100 in kadijang. Okay. 10 2 digits is 72, so it's close to 70. So 3 times 5 and 3 times 5 is only 15. So that is it's not close. So I have to think bigger number. So let's say 3 times. Let's say 3 times 10, okay? Because I'm good at 10. So 3 times 10, okay. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. So which is only 30. But we'll just go ahead and do it. 30. Okay, minus 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. 42. It's still 42. And look at this. This is 30. So can we do one more 3 times 10? Chung Chung? Do you think we can do 3 times 10 again? This is 42. Is that close to 30? Yeah, it is close to 30. So let's try to do it 3 times 10 again, okay? Because instead we do 3 times 10 instead of 3 times 20 because we don't know 3 times 20. I know I'm good at 10, that's why I start with the 10, okay? So let's try again 3 times 10, okay? 3 times 10 equal 30. Okay, so I will put this 30 over here again. 30 minus 2 minus 0 is 2. I need to write it small, I don't have that much space left. 4 minus 3 is 1. So, oh, only 12 left. Are we done? Do you think we are done? Let's check. We are not sure, right? So let's check. Always remember, the divisor, the supervisor, is the boss. So the boss have to be bigger than the remainder. So which one is bigger? Is 3 bigger or 12 is bigger? Which one is bigger? 12. You are just only the staff, and this is the boss. The boss have to be bigger. If you are bigger, if the 12 is bigger, that is in trouble. So we can't leave like this. 12 common the color 3 ka boss asitikan. Always 3 ka bigger number asiha. To Razun, one more step then go more. Okay, 12. 3 times. I know I'm good at 3 times. Sometimes if you don't know 3 times, you can use your finger. Guess what? You can use this. Look. 1, and here's your knuckle, right? 1, 2, 3. That is 3 times 1, right? 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2, let's see. This is 2, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 10, 11, 12. Ooh, 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. You can use your finger for 3 times if you don't know your multiplication fact for 3, okay? 3 times 4 is 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. So we need to put this 12 over here. I have to squeeze it in. Okay. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, is the boss is bigger? Yes. So now we need to add our quotient. So we need to add this all up. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, 1 plus nothing is 1. So which is 124. Marozen, a quotient to answer to 124. See. Are we done? Do you think we are done? Now, we need to put decimal. Decimal kaklikadakan chalai. Where should we put the decimal? Okay, so let's see. This is the 1 place, and this is the 10 place. We have to put at the 10 place. So 1, 10, 1, 10. So we need to put decimal here, and the quotient it's the same thing. We have to put 1, 10. So we have to put right here. So the quotient is 12.4. It's not 124, okay? Because we have decimal right there. Okay? Let's practice one more. Practice really more. Decimal I termi tiam asari lai. 75 decimal 5 see. Remember? Decimal ka kan sa chung popozu kan piu chung lamu kan ti le lamu, which is 755 in kan ti lamu. 755. Okay. Now we have to multiply. There's 3-digit number, that means 100 place, okay? So 755. So I need to come up with 100 first because this is 100. So 5 times 100. Let's start with 5 times 100. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, this number we need to put right here, which is 500 minus 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay. I know it's still 100 number, 255. So we can do 100 times because it's 500 is too big. Maybe we can do the halfway. 100 of half is what? Tung Tung, do you know what is 100 of half? 50. Okay, let's try with 50. Okay, 5 times 50 equal. Okay, 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. So let's say 25. Woo, it's so close. 255, 250. Okay, we need to put this number over here. So 250. Okay, minus 5 minus 5 is 5 minus 5 is 0. We are not going to put 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. We are not going to put 0, 0 at the front. It's a little weird. So we'll just put 5 as 5. Let's see. Are we done? Do you think we are done? Let's check. Let's check with the boss, okay? The boss is 5. The remainder is 5. The boss can't be same with the staff or bigger than the staff. So that is a problem. So we need to fix this. Can be your boss and you cannot be the same. The boss always have to be bigger, okay? So we can leave like this. So 5 times 1. Oh, this is easy. 5 times 1 equal 5. Okay, we need to put this 5 over here. Okay, let's minus. 5 minus 5 is 0. So the boss is bigger. Stuff is just 0, so we're good. Are we done? Let's check. We haven't added yet. Okay, let's add. Let's add. Okay, 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay. 1. Okay, 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay, 1 plus nothing is 1. So which is 151. 151. Are we done? Let's see. 151. 75 decimal 5. Ooh, we still need to put decimal. Okay, so let's look at the decimal place. 1 and the 10. So 1 and the 10. To put right here. So the quotient is 15.1. Okay, I hope that this will help you.